Alrighty guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tool Time, where we do nothing but tools, tool reviews, how-to videos, demo tools, giveaways, and such, and exposing the good, the bad, the ugly tools. So today I just wanted to bring you guys a quick little video of a parts haul type of video. Just some parts that we use mainly, and stuff that just came in, and some stuff for the shop that we needed. Stuff like that, because I know I've had a couple people want a shop tour, and then as I've mentioned in my other videos, I'm in the process of building a bigger parts room and parts department basically inside my warehouse, because at nighttime it sucks having to drive an hour and a half to 2 hours round trip to go get parts. So I want to start stocking more parts, and then I can sell them local to people, because we're in a small town. Columbus, Ohio is the closest place to get parts. But right after this, we'll go over this. Thank you for tuning back in. I'll catch you in just a second. Alrighty guys, so today in the last couple weeks, but picked up 2 cases of Glad hands, just the universal ones, no certain color. Just your basic Glad hands that already come with your rubber in them. Picked up 2 boxes of those. A case of the drain valve with the 60-inch cable on them. Number on those is 14358. It's just this brass valve that threads into the tanks. This has your pull cable that you can pull it to let it drain out. These here, okay. This is the 3/8 pipe thread. This threads into 3/8. This threads into 1/2 inch. These right here, if you blow a rubber like brake chamber hose, or you can use the 1/2 inch ones on the Glad hand lines that feed your Glad hands that go to your trailer. If you have rubber ones, some of them are the nylon plastic, whatever. But you just basically you take this collar off. This is the last thing you put on, and you put the rubber hose down in here, and then you take the Allen wrench, thread the middle piece there in, and boom, you fixed your hose without replacing the whole hose. Picked up 2 of these. These are just 7-ways, the newer style with the push on back, instead of, so most of your 7-ways, the older style trailers just have the nuts on there with they have studs sticking out of them basically that you run the nut down on with the wire. These are some of the newer rail containers, and trailers are starting to go over to these, just to plug in 7-way. So I had to get 1 of these, and I got a bigger one, and so on and so forth. I'm not trying to make this video very big. Then we just have some like steel caps of all sizes, joints, plugs, more joints and more plugs, lubrifiner filter. This one looks like it's been through the ringer, but it's brand new. But, oh gosh, she's seen better days already. That's just the LFP 44OF. I order these by the cases, so I just grabbed a handful of each different ones. Grabbed some random valve stems for the shop here to have, and for the service trucks, and to put in our stock room. And then I just grabbed a box of the quarter weights, half wheel weights, and 1. Those are for car tires. Those are the aluminum ones. But guys, that's about it. I'll jump over here to our parts department that I've been building. I've got to put up all the rest of the shelving, but give me 1 second. We'll jump right over there. Alrighty guys, so we're over here where we haven't been in this building but going on a year now. So I'm just now starting to fully get a parts room built and supplies and stuff like that. So I've got a whole bunch more shelving to get put up. Basically down here we've got your standard red and blue airlines, two packages of those, a brake hub with studs and everything in it for an 8,000 pound axle. That's 8 lug, so basically like a gooseneck, horse trailer, so on and so forth. And we got a starter down there. A couple select random filters, some fuel line, some just random leftover pieces of coolant hose, extra garden hose if someone needs to make a hose to flush something. And then this is 5/8 heater hose here. That's 1.5 inch there. That's all Glad hands. Those are 4-inch brake lights. These are all markers, running lights, a couple pigtails. Those are hose end repairs, drain valves, a couple pancake gaskets, leveling valve, air governors, and then some paper towels for the guys, shop rags, antifreeze, oils, spray bottles, hub oil, brake cleaners, PB blaster, starting fluid, Freon, grease, transmission fluid, diesel 911, air brake conditioner, power steering fluid, brake fluid, stuff to wash the trucks with, mean green. Then we have flaps up there for 1020s, the case of tubes for 1020s, black spray paint, some mud flap brackets back there, and there's 50 mud flaps down there that we keep in stock. This sheet of aluminum here, or stain, whatever the hell you want to call it. Shit, I shouldn't have said that. Excuse my language. But this sheet here is for patching trailer roofs. This here is a tubeless bar for tires. That's a spoon bar. This is our bolts, nuts, washers. Down there's all of our brass, studs, screws, chain, zip ties. These self-air up lines for tires that are on the newer trailers that have self-air ups. That case down there is full of studs, wedges, lug nuts, everything like that. A bag of bolts and nuts, case of bolts and nuts, 55-gallon drum of antifreeze. We have our own antifreeze made for the big trucks, and we are getting ready to release our own bottles with our own brand of antifreeze in them. That's in the works. When that gets done, I will show you guys all that. I'm trying to take stuff farther than just doing the repairs. I want to have our own antifreeze line, our own oil line. I want to get into that stuff, and I would like to design my own tire. I've been talking with a bunch of people about that, but that's basically these two shelves for now. The other ones are getting put up along this whole wall, and these tires will all be moved to the other room. I'm going to turn this whole area into a parts department so we can start stocking parts, because anybody that works on big trucks know, like Peterbilt, those are you can only get that stuff from the dealer. So I want to start stocking some of that main stuff that mainly goes wrong, Volvos, so on and so forth. But thanks for watching another video. Thanks for tuning back in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check the links out down below. Leave your comments down below what you think of the parts area so far that I've been putting together slowly but surely. Leave your opinions down below. Comment what video you want next down below. I'll do a full shop tour later on down the road when I have more time and more organized and it's more clean. But as always, get out, fix something, get back to work. I've got to go. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next video.